Hey babe, how are you doing today, babes? I'm doing pretty good, thank you for asking. In actual fact, I have a few butterflies floating around this belly, which is about to be full of acai bowl because there's an acai bowl en route to my house. I'm actually going on a date tomorrow. Yes, that's right, your favorite single mother of the internet is going on a date. This girl here is grabbing Hot Girl Summer by the balls. Actually no, Hot Girl Summer is a woman by the boobs. Get to the point, Flossie. I'm going on a date tomorrow night and I thought it would be fun to show you all of the little things I do to get ready, make me feel a bit more confident, get me date ready, because no. If only these boys knew the 24-hour preparation in advance. Maybe that's just me, and maybe I also don't want them to know that I've spent the last 24 hours preparing. I want to be glowing. I want to be smooth as a dolphin, smelling like a field of daisies, face beat to the high heavens with an outfit looking couture. Does it ever happen? Probably not. It's a bit of fun and I cannot wait to take you all along with me on this journey. Hi, thank you, thanks so much. This is eating on my bedroom floor chair. Feel a bit lightheaded after that. Oh my god, she is beauty, she is grace, she is health, she is wealth. Are acai bowls actually healthy for you? I feel like they're one of those things you think are really good for you, but they're actually not. I got it from this place called Mad Vegan, by the way. They do the best vegan cakes. They're vegan chocolate cake and they're vegan carrot cake. Pierre de Resistance. Wait, oh my god, no, I said that wrong again. It's pièce de résistance or pièce de résistance. Yeah, pièce de résistance. I've spoken about this before in a video. I can't relive the trauma again. And yes, I have changed into a dressing gown. And yes, mind your damn business. Oh, really cold, really cold. This is essential date night prep attire. Essential. Bath is a go-go, babes. Oh, it's not the tap. The Instagram girl nail shot. I am naked right now and terrified that there is a reflection of a nipple somewhere in this shot. But vibes are secured, and yes, I'm 10 years old and still drink squash. Me and Olivia get through so much squash in this house, especially when we're hungover. When blackcurrant squash when you're hungover slaps different. Orange squash is still a little bit scary. And look how cute my new Function of Beauty shampoo and conditioners are. In fact, let me cut forward to future Flossie to talk more about these. Flow Dog from the future, checking in with my gals. I wanted to talk to you today about my favorite hair care, which is Function of Beauty. What a shock, what a surprise. Said absolutely no one, because I will never shut up about these. Obviously recently I've got my hair bleached, so it's even more important that I look after it and make sure it's healthy.
Oh my god, huge yawn. I forgot to mention, but I actually have a link in the description box, which if you use it, you'll get 20% off. Yes, that's right, ladies, 20% off Function of Beauty.
Which is why I love Function of Beauty, because it is a totally customizable, vegan, cruelty-free hair care brand. Function of Beauty have a quiz online where you put in your hair type, whether it's thick, whether it's oily, whether it's dry, and then you select all of your hair goals and they tailor shampoo, conditioner, and I've actually recently just got their leave-in treatment and I have been loving this. As I said, I have bleached hair, so I'm trying to get all the hydration I can. You can even choose the color. This is, I think, my favorite colorway I've ever got. Pastel Summer Realness. You can customize the scent, or you can even make it unscented. You can put no color in it. They are honestly a dream. And I would like to think my hair is still pretty shiny, considering it's literally been bleached. Like bleached. I'm gonna have a link below as to where you can shop these, so make sure you check it out. Woo! Here is to 2021, the year of hair. Shiny hair that smells like mangoes. I've got the mango scent. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Sexy vibes only, sexy vibes only. I think that is burning through to my soul. Ow. Hey. Actually on the flip side, babes. Hi guys. It's a bit later. Kate actually came over tonight along with Lewis, which is really nice. It's actually the first night or allow people into the flat. So she came over. It was really nice. We got some lentil chips delivered with some guac and tzatziki and hummus. Chef's kiss. Notice how I'm too afraid to say pièce de résistance. Fun, really nice to see her. I've done all my skincare. I've been using only this recently, which is the, well, I say only recently, last night was the first time I used it. Dr. Jart Tiger Grass Repair Serum. I like the way it makes my skin glow. I'm gonna whack on a bit of a Rapid Lash and a bit of this Hair Burst serum on my eyebrows and hit the hay. See you in the morning, babes. It's date day. Woo! Someone get this girl caffeinated. Oh my god. Oh, she's a good one. Morning, babes. I could be doing better. Okay, Miss Prepared, with your ring light already set up facing your bed. That is in actual fact because I've already filmed these next two clips you're watching once before, but I'm not sure what has happened. Somewhere in the steaminess of my bath slash shower, I have absolutely destroyed my microphone and my camera. And I only noticed when I just sat down to edit all of those clips. My face is so red. If you can tell, I've just taken this makeup off so quickly. I've got makeup all over my dressing gown. Cute, I know. But second time round is going to be even better. 2 gua shas in one day. God, I'm going to be a sculpted queen. Also, please don't come for my gua sha technique. I really honestly don't know what I'm doing. If I see every girl on TikTok doing it, I want to do it. Wow, would you look at the difference already? Are you supposed to do it on your cheekbones? Or am I just prematurely aging myself? Now time for the most exciting slash transformative part of this whole routine. It's makeup time, ladies. And yes, this may be my second caffeinated beverage of the morning after my quadruple shot coffee, which some may say terrifying. I say energy. I thought it would be fun to answer a few questions whilst I get ready, all about boys, dating, very appropriate to the video, just some fun little girly chats, you know, it's like we're getting ready for a date together. This hand needs to go back. Someone asked, what do I do if my close friend starts going out with my ex? Miss Girl, they are not a close friend. I am just so confused at this question, like, what? How does that situation even come about? If Olivia turned around to me and was like, hey, I really like so-and-so, I think a bit of sick would come out of my nose. Someone asked, where are your favourite places to go / what is your favourite thing to do for a first date? I'm so boring. I just like dinner and drinks, to be honest. I think it's just so easy. You kind of know how to dress depending on where you're going. It's a nice environment if you're meeting the person for the first time. I also think dinner is a good first date as well, because if it's going badly, you can always like make an excuse to leave. You can always be like, oh, my friend is picking me up, or I need to get back and see my friend, or oh, my mum wants me home at this time, you know what I mean. And as for my favourite places, obviously I can only really give my favourite places in London, but I love Sushi Samba. There's also a really nice place called Aqua Kyoto, but Aqua is so expensive, so only go if you're willing to come home with not a penny left in your bank account, especially if you're drinking. Especially if you're drinking. There's also Alto, which is on the top of Selfridges. There's another really nice Asian restaurant called Hakkasan. I went there for my sister's 21st with my family. Pretty much all the places me, Olivia and Lewis go to are Asian restaurants, but I always think Asian restaurants are the nicest. And it's nice as well because you can order lots of little things. They do really nice like cocktails, drinks, just the whole environment of it is really nice. But with the Sushi Samba in Covent Garden, there are loads of nice little bars around it as well, so you can always go to one of them afterwards if the conversation is flowing and you're just not ready to go home. But honestly, you go on a date that you will enjoy. If that's like a really active date, if it's going, I don't know, horse riding on a beach. Wow, horse riding on a beach. that is a first date. Or I even think if there's like one thing that lockdown has taught so many of us, it's that it doesn't require like the place. The thought of going to Primrose Hill with a nice bottle of wine like in the evening time, I don't even like wine, but I will like it if there's a sexy boy sat next to me, you know what I mean? Or even just them coming to your house, like getting some takeout, watching a film, going to the cinema, just I don't know, it really depends the person you are. Here is a very interesting one. Someone asked, do you think a boy should pay on the first date? I know so many people are so divided about this. I love talking to my friends about this and hearing their opinions. My personal opinion and my experience, I genuinely do not care. I used to be one of those girls who was like, oh my god, no, I would never expect a boy to pay on the first date. But now, if a boy is insisting on paying, I will let them pay. I've never had a boy pay for the first date, actually. Have I? No, I've never had a boy pay for the first date, and I'm so okay with that. But then I also understand why some girls feel like a boy should pay, because, you know, if a boy is asking you out on a date, I can see why. Do you know, it's just also personal. I think there might be someone outside my door. I really hope there's not, because I'm not ready to answer looking like this. I watched American Psycho the other night, and ever since, oh my gosh, you best believe I'm going to make sure that door is locked at least 3 times every single night. Terrifying, love. Someone asked how to get over first date nerves, and I would just say view it for what it is. You're literally going to meet either, you might know the person you're going on a first date with, but you're going out with someone to get to know them. That is all it is. All you have to do is sit there and ask questions. I was saying this to Olivia and Lewis the other day as well. I actually think it's quite hard to have a bad first date, because it's like on the first date you're on top form, you know, you're not going to be a weirdo, you're not going to say anything wrong because, you know, you're on your game. I used to think a first date would be absolutely horrendous, and don't get me wrong, like there defo are bad first dates. I don't think there's a single first date I've been on where I've left and been like, that was terrible. It's second, third, fourth where the cracks will start to appear. So just don't be nervous. It's an enjoyable experience, and even if it is bad, it's a funny story to look back and laugh on. Will I ever be capable of doing mascara without getting it all over my eyelid? The answer is no. I haven't really spoken about what I'm doing with my makeup, but I'm honestly just doing my everyday makeup routine. This is what I feel comfortable in. I know it will last. It's pretty just a fail-safe routine. Also, you wear what makes you feel comfortable, whether that is no makeup, whether it's full beat, cut crease with a strip lash. I thought this was a really fun question. Someone said, what should I bring in my bag on a first date? For me, that would be a lip liner. Of course, you guys know I literally have a lip liner glued to my hip 24/7. Gloss, some lip balm maybe, some gum. Having some gum is always good, or if you prefer mint. Make sure your phone is fully charged, not just for convenience but also for safety. You have to remember, especially if you're meeting someone you've never met before, girls, you need to be safe. Make sure you have your phone full charge. Obviously your bank card, your ID. I'm going through everything so boring. This is not helpful at all. I mean, I don't think there's anything essential you're really gonna need. Maybe a hairband? I don't know. Would you tie your hair up in the middle of a... No, it's also probably weird if you go on a date with your hair down and leave the bathroom with your hair up. Okay, maybe not a hairband. Maybe that might not be an essential. Maybe a powder or a beauty blender, you know, in case things get a little hard and steamy. Joking, I hope you're not getting hot and steamy in a public place. Don't be that person. Come on. Come on now. A mirror as well. You need a mirror. Maybe a hip flask with a bit of vodka in it. Nothing like a bit of liquid courage on the go. That was a joke. Don't do that. Don't do that. Take that as a joke. Don't ever do that. Okay, so this is all my makeup done. I haven't really spoken through what I've used, but I'm pretty sure I do have a video where I show my everyday makeup, but I think a few things have changed since then, so let me know if you would like an updated one. Now we're gonna move on to hair. Oh my god, it is so hot in this room. Today I'm kind of feeling my hair down. Sometimes I might wear it up. One of my favorite hairstyles ever, which just, I don't know, it just makes me feel really good, is the kind of half up, half down. 2 pigtails here with pigtails. Are they pigtails? Yeah, ponytails. Pigtails. No, yeah, pigtails is 2 ponytails. God, that one really took a bit of brain power with the front 2 strands down. But today, I kind of want to feel a bit more mature. That one does make me look like a little girl. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my kind of blow dry effect hair. I'm using the Molly May Beauty Works flat iron. This one is my favorite, and I basically just take the hair and kind of slowly twist the iron as I move down it, but I keep it quite a small twist. And this is why I'm not a hair YouTube channel, because did that even make any sense? As you can see, it just kind of like brings the hair around the face and kind of gives a blow dry effect. I don't know, I'm really no hair expert. This might look really bad, but a girl can try. Ow! Burnt my hand. I'm taking really big sections of hair as well to try and get it sort of all in one shape. And this flat iron is honestly incredible. It's my favorite for doing this type of hair. It just adds like a little bit of movement into the bottom. It will drop a little bit more, so it won't be so much of a ringlet. I'm gonna finish off my hair and then I will be back. That is my hair all done. I've been around every single section. I'll just brush that through, add a little spray of hairspray, and it kind of will just drop out into a nice voluminous bounce. A bouncy blow, if I haven't said it enough times. Now I'm going to show you some outfit options. We're going to have a little fashion show up in this bitch.
She gon' pop it open, she gon' make it pour. Even though I drive a foreign, damn I still feel poor. Sushi on my dinner plate, eating creme.
Yes, this top is on back to front because the front of it is covered in makeup from when I took my makeup off drunk the other night. Mind your damn business.
Icing on that chocolate cake, that sound like the perfect day. She gon' pop it open, she gon' make it pour. Even though I drive a foreign, damn I still feel poor. Sushi on my dinner plate, eating creme brulee. Icing on that chocolate cake, that sound like the perfect day. You my little Sailor Moon, come and visit me. Come and kick it at the crib, or you can keep on dissing me. I don't really care, cause I'm getting to the money. But don't you come back crawling when you seeing all these honeys, yeah. You my little Sailor Moon, come and visit me. Come and kick it at the crib, or you can keep on dissing me. I don't really care, cause I'm getting to the money. But don't you come back crawling when you seeing all these honeys, yeah. She gon' pop it open.
Oh my god, I've just noticed I've had a hair clip in my hair that entire time. Am I an idiot? So everyone, that is the end of my video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. I'm now off to go and have a whale of a time. Shitting it, not gonna lie. Don't forget to check out Function of Beauty if you want some. These hoops are testing me, man. Don't forget to check out Function of Beauty. I love you all so much. I hope you are all happy, healthy and thriving. I hope it's sunny wherever you are, and I will see you all very soon. Love you all. Bye. Wish me luck. Is my mascara transferring yet? No, okay. Oh my god, my lip liner though, Jesus.